BJP, meanwhile, has called a 12-hour bandh in Barakpur in West Bengal after BJP leader Manish Shukla was shot dead on Sunday evening near the North 24 Parganas district. BJP workers blocked the Barakpur-Barasat road at Batala area and the Kalyani Expressway, and the shops and markets also remain closed, observing a bandh situation, and it continues to be pretty tense in the area. BJP leader in charge of West Bengal, Kailash Vijayvargiya, and Mukul Roy reached the residence of the slain BJP leader and met his family members. Governor Jagdeep Dhankar took up the issue and summoned the Home Secretary and Director General of Police to the Raj Bhavan at 10 a.m. on Monday. BJP leadership blames the ruling Trinamool for the incident, but the ruling party has rubbished these allegations.
जिस प्रकार से ममता बनर्जी दूसरे राज्यों में जाकर वहां अन्याय के विषय में बात करती है, अपने प्रतिनिधि को दूसरे राज्यों में भेजती है, मैं आज ममता जी से सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं, ममता जी, आप मनीष शुक्ला के घर कब जाएंगे? आप अपने प्रतिनिधि मंडल, टीएमसी के प्रतिनिधि मंडल को मनीष शुक्ला जी के घर कब भेजेंगे?
ये पॉलिटिकल लिंक तो 100% है। सबसे बड़ा बात है कि रक्षा की भक्षक हो गया है इसमें। पॉलिटिकल लिंक के साथ साथ पुलिस का पूरी इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, क्योंकि जिस हथियार से हत्या की गई है वो हथियार पुलिस के पास ही है।
नहीं, अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, तो अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन का डिटेल हम लोग नहीं बता सकते हैं, बट कुछ क्लूज मिले हैं, हम उनके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं।
India Today's Manogya Loiwal, who's tracking every step of this story, is with me live from Kolkata. Manogya, beyond the political war of words between the two sides and the rhetoric, what do we know about the murder of Manish Shukla? This is a pretty shocking case. The area continues to be very tense and things could actually escalate.
Well, they've escalated already. The BJP claims that they've lost more than 100 of their supporters since 2014, and that is on a rise now with 2021 in the foray. As far as the ground situation is concerned, from burning of tires to there are massive protests and of course spotting of BJP supporters on the streets. This is not just a protest but also a token of taking up the matter in the long run when it comes to the 2021 election. Precisely, there has been a rebuttal from the Trinamool Congress where they've clearly stated that as far as the supporters are concerned, it was a fight, it was a battle within the BJP itself, which has now escalated to this level. However, BJP MP or leaders from Kailash Vijayvargiya to Arjun Singh to even Mukul Roy have all stated that these are all tactics of the police as well as the local parties and the goons being hand in glove behind this murder. It is of course a political setback for BJP because Manish has been very instrumental as a councillor from Trinamool Congress but also in organizational support in the party recently. So a blow for the party as well as an issue in days to come.
Okay, thanks very much, Manogya, for getting us the very latest on that. We'll keep a track of that story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.